Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. I welcome all of you to the first meeting of the Parliamentary Consultative Meeting of the Ministry of Communication. We are in the midst of an information and communication revolution. This revolution is bringing about fundamental changes in every aspect of life at the national and international levels. It has also opened the prospect of India emerging as an information technology superpower. This prospect will become a reality only if we create a modern nationwide telecommunication infrastructure at the earliest. Telecommunication is also by itself an economic growth. The telephone is no longer a luxury but an indispensable tool in every conceivable economic activity. For example, the large network of STD booths established by the Department of Communication in a short span, and we can see these booths even a small towns today has a immense benefited small and the common persons. Experts have calculated that 1% increase in telephone density result in a 3% increase in GDP. As you would make out from the agenda notes, this information and communication revolution has unfortunately largely bypassed rural India. The National Telecom Policy of 1994 has universal access and available of basic telecom services on demand. We are way behind achievement of this objective. The failure is most meeting the target of at least one village public telephone for each of the 6 lakh villages in the country. More than half of these 6 lakh villages still do not have even a single telephone, in not to mention other sophisticated forms of communication. Moreover, the telephone density in such of the villages which do not have connection is very low. This should be matter of concern for all of us. My government will not allow the urban divide to get further widened because of the failure in policy and implementation to meet our goal in rural telephony. My vision is to see every Indian village connected with the global village that is being created by the information and communication revolution. The failure in the area of rural telephony cannot be seen in isolation from the National Telecom Policy of 1994 and its implementation. Today, everybody recognized that the reforms in telecom sector, particularly related to investment in basic cellular services by private operators, have failed.